So an exercise that I do with my students is I make them play 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I need them to hold 2, 3, 4 finger down and then place the bar. And then the same idea, 2, 3, 4. We are practicing a couple things. We're practicing getting in and out of the bar. And you see, if your wrist is too much in and then you need to come out for the bar, that means that your hand is not set up properly, because you need to get in and out of the bar with a micro adjustment, but not as much. So, but more importantly, what I want you to focus when you do that is that when you're pressing here, you're only placing the finger on the strings, but not really pressing. You try to isolate only the strings in question. So in the third string in this case. Then you do the same thing with second string. Then here. See how am I not pressing on the first and third? So the idea is just to learn how to train your bar to have these isolated pockets in which you can learn, you get more curvature eventually on the finger, and then you learn how to press only minimal what you need to get the skill done.